Hey guys, Mish, Dr. Cox here from Ground to Overhead with your daily episode of Body Armor. Today we're going to work on strengthening those hip flexors. This is going to be for anybody who gets pain in that front part of that hip with pulling that leg through the stride, with any difficulties, kind of powering out of anything that is puts you in that deep hip flexion. Squats, lunges, any type of powering out of the bottom of a power clean. So what you're going to do is you'll find yourself a wall, you're going to sit flat against it. This is going to be hard for anybody who has decreased shoulder mobility, or hamstring mobility. So what we're going to do is sit nice and straight. We're going to pull our feet back. We're going to press our hands into the ground. So this is going to force our rib cage to depress a little bit. It's going to activate our core, and you're going to try and raise. And then relax. And then you're going to tighten that quad and try and raise that hip flexor. I have a little bit of weakness in that left side versus my right side, and it's much easier. Now what I don't want to see is trying to lift up, hands come off, or feeling that rib cage flares. You're trying to lean back against the wall and push down. That's why the hands get pressed into the ground. Rib cage depresses, core's engaged. Tighten that quad in the front. Pull your toes back and try and lift off the ground. And then the same thing on the other side. This should cause you no pain for what any of your therapists are trying to recover you from. But it will help strengthen, like I said, those hip flexors, and it's great for runners, lifters, kind of anybody across the board that kind of wants more stability in any stance phase type of activity. If you like what we're bringing you, hit the subscribe button and come back.